all, Will Healy here, and it's Workforce Wednesday, so it's actually cool. I'm here at the IHAT conference, and I was looking for Aaron Prather. It is Workforce Wednesday, but he's not here. But I did happen upon somebody that you may know and love. Ran into my buddy.
What's up, everyone?
Jake Hall's here. So we're here looking at, and Jake's talking about cool technologies for like operator guidance, and I've seen some exoskeletons that I'm really intrigued to learn about, and all kinds of operator assistance and operator guidance technologies to make the work easier for the workers. And so you always hear me talk about how do we use technology as our HR strategy? How do we make the work of our workers easier? And I'm really excited about all the things here at the show today.
You know, the one thing that's great about this show is we focus so much on attracting new people to the industry.
Yep.
A lot of times we lose focus on how to keep the existing workers staying.
Yep.
You know, a great conversation that I always bring up is, would you rather have 3 new workers, or would you rather have 1 worker who's worked there for 3 years? and it's a very valuable point of where's the value of the people who know the process, know the system, and how do you keep them engaged and wanting to stay where you're at. So I think a lot of these technologies here are making the existing workers' lives easier and putting less stress on them physically, on them mentally, and really just making their whole assembly process and operation just more enjoyable as a whole.
Cool. That's really awesome. And you know, I always talk about how can we extend the career of our workers, especially the skilled ones. And I love that. Would you rather have 3 new workers or a worker who's been with you 3 years?
Absolutely.
And I think that's awesome. So great. If you're in the Cincinnati area and you've got just an hour, I mean, come on down to Mason and come see Jake and come see Will. And we're here today. So join us at IHAT.
See ya.